Hey guys, so here's what the final product looks like for the intermediate pattern. As you can see, there's a solid blue color, a solid white color, and then another solid blue color. These are technically three pieces that are knit onto the same needle at the same time, and they're woven together as you work. And I'm going to show you how I did that in the following videos. So just like in the how to crochet tutorial, you're going to want to start with a slip knot. I'm not going to show you how to make one, since we already showed you how. But you want to leave a tail of about 6 inches that you're going to weave into your project after. So you're going to slide your slip knot onto your needle, and you're going to want to tighten it so that it's a little bit snug, but not too tight, because you still need to be able to work with it. You're going to hold this into your left hand, and with your second needle, you're going to slide it inside the loop, like this. So, to start casting on, which is what we're doing here, you're going to take your working yarn. You're going to wrap it around your needle from under, pick it up, and then drop it on your needle, left hand needle, and snug it up. So, this is your first stitch. This slip knot, you're not going to work with it, you're going to drop it when you get to that point, when you finish your first row. So this is your first stitch. So just one more time, you're going to go from underneath, wrap around, pick it up, and then drop it on your left hand needle. And you're going to want to make 11 of these for your first blue color. So now we finished casting on our first color. Don't worry if it looks a little bit narrow, it's going to widen to its natural size as you go. We have our slip knot here and then 11 stitches of blue. Now it's time to start with the white. Just like before, you're going to want to make a slip knot. Leave a tail of about 6 inches, and you're going to slide that onto your needle, the same needle with the blue pattern. You're going to take your second needle, and you're going to slip it into your loop, and just like before, wrap around, pick it up, and drop it on your left hand needle. Once again, your slip knot does not count. This is your first stitch in white. And for this color, you want to make 12 stitches.